इंडियन पिनल कोड, उसकी जगह भारतीय न्याय संहिता 2023 इस सदन की मान्यता के बाद पूरे देश में अमल में आएगी।
In a historic step towards justice and modernization, the current government has enacted three highly anticipated criminal laws introduced in 2023: the Bharatiye Nyaya Sanhita, the Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, and the Bharatiya Sakshya Bill. These laws represent a modern approach to the Indian system of justice, aiming to decolonize while embracing modernization. Hello and welcome to New India Junction. I am Avantika Kansal, and today we will be discussing three new criminal laws which have been introduced recently. The introduction of these three laws demonstrate India's commitment to a modern and efficient legal framework for its people. Reflecting the aspirations of a new India, these laws are part of the nation's swift progress towards the goal of Viksit Bharat. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita focuses on delivering speedy justice, mandating the judiciary to conduct impartial investigations and trials within newly established timeframes. For example, trials and processes for crimes against women and children should be completed within 6 months. Additionally, the BNS emphasizes harsher punishments for serious crimes such as rape, acid attacks, and human trafficking. The minimum penalty for rape is set at 10 years of imprisonment for the accused. The bill also differs from the old colonial law in several ways. The BNS includes newly formed provisions for crimes like cybercrimes, reflecting the digital and modern era. It adopts a victim-centric approach, emphasizing victim compensation and rehabilitation. This ensures that victims receive support and psychological counseling, addressing their needs comprehensively and promptly. Talking about the second criminal law, Bhartiye Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, the bill aims to make police forces more accountable and transparent by introducing body cameras and dashboard cameras for transparency during interactions. A significant and modern step towards a better judicial system is the introduction of e-FIRs for the quicker registration of complaints. Replacing the old CRPC, the BNSS takes a different approach to justice by incorporating advanced technology such as video conferencing for court hearings. The bill also provides enhanced protection measures for witnesses in sensitive cases. These innovations are expected to encourage speedier judicial processes and ensure a more efficient legal system. Furthermore, the third bill, the Bharatiya Sakshya Bill, creates a modern pathway for incorporating new types of evidence such as CCTV footage and emails, which are crucial in today's advanced and technological world. The bill also strengthens the system for fair trials, ensuring higher standards for the collection and presentation of evidence, while protecting personal data privacy during evidence collection. The BNS differentiates from the old Evidence Act by introducing and regulating technological evidence with legality and transparency, making it easier to prosecute cybercrimes. The newly codified criminal laws cater to different sections of society by paving the way for an honest, transparent, and accountable judicial system. In case of protecting women, the laws introduce stricter punishment and better protective measures for crimes against women, with increased penalties for harassment, rape, and gender-based violence. Furthermore, for safeguarding students, the three new bills protect students from bullying in educational and other institutions with severe punishments to ensure safer campus environments. Consecutively, supporting the middle class, faster resolutions for cases have been introduced, reducing legal cost and the burden of prolonged litigation. For example, there are now specific timelines for resolving property disputes. Additionally, streamlining the judicial processes, the law simplify procedures and integrate technology to deliver timely justice. This includes video conferencing for hearings and the digital submission of evidence, making it easier for the judiciary to handle cases efficiently. That leads to ensuring accountability in law enforcement. Clear guidelines have been established for the police and other security forces to enhance professionalism and transparency in law enforcement. These measures collectively aim to create a fair, efficient, and modern judicial system that serves all segments of society efficiently. Transitioning from the colonial era to a modern Indian era comes with several myths that could create distrust among citizens over the judicial system. Let us have a look at these myths. Myth 1 is, do these bills facilitate states' control and surveillance? The reality is different. The laws incorporate checks and balances to protect citizens' rights and prevent misuse of power. For example, body cameras and dashboard cameras will increase transparency and accountability. Myth 2. The reforms will not effectively address crimes against women. This is not true. The new laws introduce stricter punishments and enhance protective measures specifically for women, including fast-track court and higher penalties for offences. Myth 3. The legal changes will overwhelm the judiciary and police. Contrary to this belief, the new reforms include provisions for simplifying procedures and using technologies such as e-FIRs and video conferencing. These measures will help reduce the workload and increase efficiency. Last of all, will the replacement of the old law won't bring real change? This is a misconception. The new bills bring substantial changes, including modern definition of crimes, better victim support, and the incorporation of digital evidence. These changes will have a real and positive impact. To conclude, the introduction of Bharatiye Nyaya Sanhita, Bhartiye Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, and Bharatiya Sakshya Act represents a significant leap forward in India's quest for a more equitable and efficient criminal justice system. By moving away from colonial-era laws and adopting modern principles, Prime Minister Modi's government is paving the way for a future-ready India. These reforms not only update the legal framework but also make justice more accessible, transparent, and fair for all citizens. Well, that's it for today's video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Avantika Consult signing off. Until next time.